Guys, I'm at 42nd Street and 6th Avenue, Bryant Park. I can walk down to where I'm going from here, but I gotta go all the way down. Another reason why I came here, because I love to walk. I love to walk. Okay, so what they got going on in this subway station? Tech time capsule. Cute. Everybody have on masks, as they should, as we should I say. And I gotta go through this turnstile. Yay. Watch this hit over COVID-19. Let's go. Another reason why I love this city, all the exercise you get. Hey, well, what's on something? Oh shit! Fucking really fucking. This is Bryant Street Park. Okay, so let's go to Times Square. I gotta breathe. Fuck. I gotta breathe. Okay. Oh shit. Come on, man. I want to see what's going on in Times Square. I had to take off the mask for a minute, y'all ain't lying. I still got my alcohol pad. Woo! Woo! God damn. Excuse the profanity, y'all. I'm sorry. The subway station is hot. So, having on a mask, riding the subway, getting out of there, it's hot as hell. Okay. I'm back in this. Back in this. This is 42nd Street and 6th Avenue. NYPD. They don't have on the mask. Everybody else wearing them. Okay, city bikes. I should get on one. That'd be cool. I want to walk. Okay, so. Y'all see the ball up there? This is what I'm talking about. It's like 6-something in the morning. Everybody up and moving around. Not everybody, but some cities you be in, 6-something in the morning, everybody's still asleep. Well, some of them. You don't see them moving around like this. But not comparing nobody else's city, because I love Houston, I love Atlanta, I love Austin. I like some city parts, some country parts in Texas. I love the Grand Canyon, Arizona, Ghana, parts of Africa. It's a lot of places, but it's just, I don't get the kind of experiences that I get here at other places, you know, because it's like a whole nother world. New York to me is like a whole nother world. Always something going on. Okay, so look at Liam Hemsworth. What are they promoting here? The movie coming out? Oh, look at the H&M kids. That's cute. Y'all looking cute. Got Martin Luther King's quote on there. Okay? Because, I mean, when I was looking at Times Square online during the pandemic, of course, in the midst of it here, there was nothing going on. I had never seen Times Square like that. Times Square has always been full of people, no matter what time of day, no matter what time of night. Okay, so I'm gonna go back opposite direction. I was trying to find me something to eat, but I'm gonna go towards downtown. I was gonna go further up so y'all can see like the heart of Times Square, but I'll do that some other time. I think I should take care of business, so take care of my business first. Only thing that concerns me about being in the city, it's like it's not any trees, not, you know, unless you go to Central Park or one of the parks. And being with all these buildings, like how do you get fresh air, especially in the midst of a pandemic? So that's very concerning to me. But I love the city so much. I really do. You have access to whatever you need, 24/7. You don't have to be waiting to 9 o'clock and then it ends at 5 o'clock or 6 or 7. I hate that shit. Excuse my language. I'm not used to it. But when I'm in places and cities that do that, and it's not their fault, it's just how they run their system. I get irritated because I like getting up 2 or 3, 4 o'clock in the morning early to take care of my business. Clean it out. Clean up, that's what I'm talking about. Clean up. Yes, sir. Keep it clean. I mean, I have noticed it's much cleaner than it used to be. But I never see downtown like just filthy. Downtown, yeah. Not in these areas where there's a lot of money circulating, tourists and stuff. Oh yeah. I need to go up in here. I need some alcohol and I need some stuff. I'll be back.